Hello everyone, I am Richa Gaur from Quick Maths. Exercise 11.3, question number 6. Describe how the two figures at the right are, it is not at the right, it is just mentioned in the book, it is at the below, are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? Now the new question has been arised. It is about the lateral surface area. First, we should know what is lateral surface area. Lateral means that contains the height only. It must be remembered by you people that lateral means the area that contains the height only. Suppose I am asking about this cuboid room. Then what is the total surface area? There are six opposite faces. Six means three pair. Roof, bottom, side, opposite pair of side, and front and back. So there are three pairs of cuboid. But in the case of lateral, I will not count the roof and the bottom because roof and bottom does not count height. So I will count the faces only that contains the height. So in the case of lateral, the height containing faces will be counted. This is just to know about it. So in the case of lateral, the height portions will be considered. So in the case of cube, I can say for one by one, I will explain it. For the case of cube, the total surface area was 6 into side square. But lateral surface area can be also calculated as it is being obtained. How it is being obtained? It is the twice into L square plus L square plus L square. So it will be 2 into 3L square and 6L square. We have obtained this formula in the first question about total surface area. But in the case of lateral surface area, we will not count the roof. Just a minute. We will not count the roof and the bottom. So we will not count this L square. This L square is regarding the bottom and the roof. So we will not count it. This one only is remaining. So the formula will become twice into L square plus L square. This is about the height portions. Two opposite faces of heights only. So twice into 2L square. This will be 4L square, or we can say 4 into side square. So this is how we can obtain the formula for lateral surface area when we consider the height portions only, height faces only. So it is 4 into side square. Now just put the value. So lateral surface area for cube is 4 into side is 7 square. 4 into 7 square, that is 4 into 49, and it will be 4 9 the 36, 3 carry 4 for the 16, 196. It is 196 and centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of cube. So LSA is 196 centimeter square. It is for the cube. Now for the case of this one, this is cylinder. I will explain little one about cylinder also. Now in the case of cylinder, the cylinder contains two circles, this one, upper and top and bottom, and in between there is a rectangle. This one is a rectangle. So if we divide the cylinder into the regions, then we will have one top surface, that is circle, second circle at the bottom, and third is the rectangle. And if we open this rectangle, it will become this one. So this rectangle, we can explain it as this rectangle. This is the rectangle, and if we fold this rectangle, then it will become a circle, circular part. If we fold this rectangle, it will become a circular part, means circumference. So this is the circumference, this is the circumference, this is the circumference, and this is the height. So it will be a height, and this will being folded to become the complete circle. So it will be a circumference. It will be a circumference. And what is a circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. We just put the formula of circumference and it is 2 pi r. So about this we can measure the area. Area of this rectangle will be length into breadth 2 pi r into h. So it will be 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. So what is lateral? Lateral means that portion that contains height. Top portion doesn't contain height. Bottom portion doesn't contain height. Only the mid one region, it contains a height. So this mid one region is a rectangle. When we open it, it is a rectangle. But when we get fold it, then it will become a circumference of a circle. So it means this is the length will become 2 pi r, circumference, it is the height, and this is a rectangle shape. So L into B means 2 pi r into h. So it will be 2 pi r h. So we can say only this area is the lateral that contains the height. This is the lateral. So this one contains the height. So this area is the lateral surface area, and the lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. Here radius is 7 by 2 because diameter is 7. So it is 22 by 7. Pi value, put the value of pi as 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2 because r is the half of diameter. It is 7 by 2. I am removing this line to make a space. Suppose this is the line. Okay. Now put the value of h. H is height. It is also 7. We can cancel out 7, 7. We can cancel out 2, 2. It is the 22 into 7. So it will be a 14. 1 carry. It will be a 14. That is 154 and centimeter square. So the lateral surface area for the case of cylinder is 154. So which box has larger lateral surface area? Obviously the cube has larger surface area. So we can say, I am not writing here, sorry. Yes, we can say the lateral surface area of cube is greater than the lateral surface area of cylinder. This is the required solution. Thank you so much.